Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on the channel. My name is Yellow, and well, it has been a while. Welcome to my second upload of the year, and it is currently the 25th of July. Yeah, so you might be wondering where I've been this year, and well, I've actually been here this year, surprisingly. I've been, this year started off to be pretty good. I was pretty busy. But now I'm in lockdown, so I have a lot more time on my hands. That being said, I did have a lot of time for the pretty much most of the year. I just haven't been motivated to make videos. But yeah, I'm here now, and I want to make videos because, I mean, my channel is bigger than it ever was before. So, you know, having the ability to make videos for you guys now, when I've got a growing fan base, is probably the best thing that I can do. And now that I'm in lockdown and I've got so much more time on my hands, yeah, I thought, why not make a video? Now, I originally had an unboxing and review video today, but it didn't go to plan. The quality sucked because of the lighting, so I scrapped that idea, and instead I'm doing this. So today, we're doing something that I've wanted to do for ages, and I've been very late to the party, but we're going to be running Windows 11. I've seen it before, I've seen images, I've seen a few videos, mainly the Linus Tech Tips video, but I've never actually given it a shot. Now, this isn't the leaked build, this is the official, the latest build, the latest Windows Insider build, as good as you can get, the newest build that you can get on Windows 11. So this is going to be my first, you know, reaction, what it's like. If you want to get this, you can. You need to be in the you don't have to be in the Windows Insider program. There's an actual tool that you can use that will download the ISO straight from Microsoft, so you can put it into a virtual machine like I've got here. So yeah, without further ado, let's go. VMware. I'm running VMware. Oh, press any key. I'm running VMware. What version of VMware am I running? 15, I think it's 15, yeah, 15 Pro. I think the latest is 16, but yeah. We load in. I'm not sure if I like the new logo, it's very flat. Okay, here we are. Language to install, English United States. Time and currency format, I'm English Australia, so can I get an English Australia in here? English Australia. Yep. Okay, that's all good. Install now. Alright, setup is starting. So I have a feeling this is going to be pretty much the same setup as Windows 10 is, just like in terms of this part of the setup. I don't have a product key. At least it gives you still the, at least you still don't need a product key. I'm gonna go with Windows 11 Pro, just because I don't want to have to bother with signing into a Microsoft account. So yeah, I accept. Ooh, got the new check mark there. So I want to do custom install. There we go. Next. All right, and we're off. So yeah. I'll see you guys in a bit then. Actually, before I go, I'll show you the specs that I'm running on this machine here. Now, obviously, I don't have a dedicated GPU. Like, there's no dedicated GPU here, so it's going to be very slow, like any other, you know, virtual machine is. But I've got a 60 gig hard disk. I've got everything else is pretty standard. I've got, it says 4 processors, but I've got 2 processors with 2 cores each. That's pretty much it. Everything else in here is the same. Yeah. Other than that, I'll see you guys in a bit. Hey, we're back! And I just heard the startup sound, and oh my god, here it is. The UUBE. Is this the right country or region? Wow, it is very laggy at the moment. That's alright though. Yes, I'm in Australia. Windows. It's very laggy at the moment, but hopefully, after I get through the setup process, I'll probably bump up the RAM and everything, so it becomes a little bit smoother. I don't want to add a second keyboard layout. Overall, I'm really liking this theme that they're going on here. Checking for updates. To be honest, there probably are updates that it needs to do. Hopefully, I'll just be able to get in straight away. or not. Just we do be checking for updates though. I really like the three bucks. Oh, I was about to say right. How would you like to set up this device? So we're going to be using it for personal use. I think there's meant to be icons here. I don't think they're showing up, but anyway, that's fine. God, you got the mail app. Is that logo different? I don't know. Anyway, can I sign in with a security key? Okay, wait. Do I have to cancel? Sign in options. Can I just... Yeah, we go. Offline account. That's why I installed the Pro one, because otherwise I wouldn't have been able to do that. And quite honestly, while I do use a Microsoft account, I don't really want to put it in a virtual machine. So, yeah. Create a memorable password. Nothing. That's gonna be my memorable password. Turn everything off. Everything off. Checking for updates again, seriously? I think there's... I mean, I downloaded this about 2 weeks ago, this ISO. So there probably will be updates. Yeah, there you go. Just a moment. Oh, we're on the new screen. Hi, getting things ready for you. Oh, this looks very snazzy. Did it just die? Uh-oh. I see the discs working. Oh, that looks sick. Yo, so for those who don't know, the Windows 10 one just shows a blue background, you know, like fading in and out. This is so cool. It's like, I don't even know. That's really sick. The Windows 8 one actually looks cool as well. It's the same as the Windows 10 one, but instead of blue background, it's rainbow. Like solely, like it's slowly like transitions into different colors. This looks really cool. I really like the style that they're going through here. Also about the style, I think I'm definitely gonna have to upgrade the RAM in this thing. Probably the amount of CPU cores, because it is like struggling a little bit, but what can you do? It's a virtual machine, and I'm also recording, so yeah. Preparing Windows. Now that you can skip this by pressing Control-Alt-Delete, but oh, you can do that, but oh, please keep your PC on and plugged in. It changed. Now you can, yeah, like I said before, you can skip this with Control-Alt-Delete, but I'm just gonna let it do its thing, because otherwise what happens is you get like apps that are not fully installed. Yeah, I want everything to be, you know, done. So as soon as I get on the desktop, it's exactly how it'd be on a normal computers, on any normal computer. So yeah, I'll be back once this is finished. Hey, we're on the desktop. So this is the brand new start menu in all of its glory, and that's the taskbar, and that's everything else. I really like the sound that they're using here. They finally brought back the logon sound, and you can enable it in Windows 10, the logon sound, but it's just the Windows 7 login sound. I really like it. It's very nice. Now, one complaint that I'm going to bring up straight away is I want this back here. Sorry. I know how a lot of people liked it with the fact that it's different when it's in the middle, but oh my god, this is just going to cause so much pain. Okay, I guess not. I guess I can't change it. Are you kidding me? I can't change the taskbar alignment. That's annoying. Well, I guess I'm sticking with the middle taskbar. I wish I could just bring it over here, man. Like, that's gonna give me so much pain. But talking about the start menu, I might as well start off with this first. I don't know. I'm one of the few people who actually use live tiles, so I guess while you can pin apps, I also would miss that sidebar where it shows all my apps. So then I have to click here and then I have to scroll through. But I mean, with that being said, I'm probably going to get used to this, and I do like the cleaner look that this brings. So yeah. I'm going to get, first off, before we do anything, I'm going to get VMware Tools installed so we can at least, you know, get some display adapters working and everything, so we can get this moving. One thing that I do want to check out though is I just realized Task Manager does not show up there. That's gonna be, ooh, crap. Okay, we got VMware Tools. I just realized it doesn't show up. Huh. I don't have the curved edges. I think you have to install VMware Tools, but first for it to do that. But for the curved edges to show up, because it doesn't have a display driver right now. It's just running in this, what is it, like 800 by 800 resolution. So I'm going to get VMware Tools installed first, and then I'll be back. We're back on the desktop. VMware VMware Tools is installed now, and I got to hear some of the, what is it, error and notification, and like what is it, user account control sounds, and oh my god, they sound so good. They're so much better than bloody Windows 10's ones. Yeah, I really like the sound and like kind of the aesthetic they're going for here. As you see here, a black screen, that means VMware Tools is working. It should, if this will work, it should automatically expand it. So if I go in here, and after this black screen disappears, I should get a full screen. Okay, well, should is the story of my life because it didn't work. Wait a second. Oh, you're working. Hey, wow, this is really slow. I just noticed this background. I think this just could be because it's an insider build. It's a bit low quality. I think it's just because of the resolution it was earlier, and it just, I don't know. Anyway, it doesn't matter. We're in, at least. So, yeah, let's take a look. While this is still loading in, because as you see, this virtual machine really ain't that fast. We got a black taskbar. How interesting. But I do want to check out, you know, some of the features that are on here. So, yeah, I think we're all loaded in now. Never mind, we're still not loaded in. Okay, we're in now. The taskbar has loaded. So, I want to see, it does show an... Oh! That sounded really nice. Okay, so I do want to check out these menus down here to see if they've changed. So I've clicked on the speakers, but it's not doing anything. So I don't know what's up with that. Like, hello? I'm just gonna click all of these. Well, this is what. Okay, now we know what the start menu looks like. So this hasn't changed. I do want to see. Get out of here. I do want to see what the sound is like. Here we go. Oh, that sounds really good with like the small amount of bass here. Oh, on a good pair of headphones, which is what I'm wearing now, that sounds really nice. Oh, what about this? Ooh, so this is pretty much identical. They just changed the font here. That font looks so cool. I think this is like just a edited version of the font they're using now. Oh, that looks really nice. It's like stylish AF. Oh, I like the one. Yeah, very nice. Also another change here, it shows the date. Although I wish they had an option to show the seconds there as well. You can enable it, but you have to go on the registry editor to do it. I've done that on this computer, and I've got the seconds showing. Not obviously on the virtual machine. So this is what... Oh, so you see the curved edges here. So as you see here, if I put on night light... Huh. I really like the design that they're going for here. Oh, that transition as well. Nice. Let's see if we've finally got those curved edges since I've installed VMware Tools. So we should have them. Oh, we do. Ooh, that looks very interesting. I like it. It looks so much more cleaner than Windows 10. It's like, yeah. The icons as well. Everything just looks updated, even though it's pretty much, in terms of Windows 11, Windows 10, there's not that much of a difference. But it's just, you know, the small changes here that just make it look so much more new. Because pretty much this is the same as Windows 10, but they've just upgraded the small things like the icons. You've got curved edges now. And it makes it look so much better. And I like the shadow that they got here on the side as well. Very nice, very nice. Recycle bin. Let's check this out. So everything's curved. I really like the OK cancel things as well. They're curved. And they also got this really nice all of these dot things as well. I don't know what you call it, like the checkboxes as well, like the little tick inside them. They just all look so much more modern. Yeah, hey. Cancel that. Okay, we got Microsoft Edge. I'll go on there in a second. So this should be the... Ooh, I like the animation. So this should be like the widgets. So it's not Windows 7 widgets that you can like drag out here. This is just like news and all of that. I like the... I love these transitions. Like, they're not transitions. They're just like effects. Oh, it looks so nice. File Explorer's got it. That's got it. That looks really sick. You got that, and you got that. Ooh, that looks so cool. Let's search one. Huh. Oh, I love it. I love it. I need a Windows account. Okay. Well, and then this is the desktop thing. So it used to be up here, the desktop thing. Now it's just down there. Other than that, I'm assuming it's pretty much identical. So I'm going to open up Edge here, and I'm going to see what Edge looks like. Now, it's a shame that I can't... I don't care. Dude, just take me to the... This is... Hopefully they remove this. Microsoft, remove this in the final release, okay? This is too inspirational, because it shows us a very nice background. Confirm. Continue without signing in. Okay, can I get rid of this news crap? Okay. Edge, you're not being that nice. Oh, so you got the curved things here. Obviously, you don't see the curved things when you're in full screen. But, you know. Alright, I'm going to get rid of this. Personalize. Okay, no. Headings only. Thank you. Okay. At least that's gone out of the way. So, this has got the curved edges. It looks pretty nice. Now, unfortunately, I don't have a product key. And I'm not signed in. So I can't change any of the personalization settings. But they're going for this matte glass kind of effect here. I don't think I can change any of this though. So if I go to themes here, we can only like see like Windows light, Windows dark, glow, captured motion, flow. Yeah. Lock screen. Colors. So this is obviously transparency effects are on, but I do not see them. I see it there, but I don't see it anywhere else. And then you've also got like the taskbar settings. So I would, as soon as I get this on an actual computer with, you know, real hardware on it, not a virtual machine, I actually have it activated, I'm immediately moving it back to there. Because this is going to cause so much headache for me. And while, yeah, it kind of looks cool, I much prefer it being in the original position over there. Just because I'm used to it. I've used Windows for over a decade. So, you know, like, yeah, I'm definitely moving it back. It's a shame that I can't, like, change any of this, but I can see this settings app is like, oh my god, that transition. Oh, that's sick. What about the minimize? Oh, it's a bit laggy, but I'm not that surprised. This isn't like running that fast. Skip now. I mean, this is pretty much the identical settings app that they have now. Is control panel still here? I think control panel is. Control. Yeah, it is. Okay. So, I'm assuming control panel hasn't changed. Yeah. So, oh, they changed the icons though. Oh, that looks very nice. Yeah. Well, they haven't changed all of the icons. They've only changed some of them. So, if I go to system here. And this leads me on to the next part. Oh no! You can't view it through there anymore. No! Okay, well, you can see this is Windows 11 Pro, bloody yada yada. This is my next problem that I have. Now, I didn't get it when installing this, which is a promising sign. Except it doesn't mean anything, because this is a virtual machine. But at least my CPU works with this. So, Windows 11 and the system requirements, it's like a shit show. Also, why is this time messed up? I just noticed that. Anyway, it's a shit show there in terms of their system requirements. I don't know what they were thinking with like only allowing Intel Core, like Intel 8th gen processors and up, because it's so dumb. Like this, my Surface Pro that I have beside me, that can run Windows 11. That's an 8th gen Core i5 in it, okay? But this Core i7 6th gen with a GTX 960 in it, It's a laptop, so it's a 960M, but it doesn't matter. Can't run Windows 11. I think that's ridiculous. And I don't even know if this thing has a TPM 2.0 chip. This is made by Clevo, so I don't know. I have to go on the BIOS for that to see if I that. But yeah, I don't know what they're doing with that. But I'm gonna make a separate video on what I like and what I don't like about, like, or what I'm gonna be making a separate video pretty much on my complaints about Windows 11 and hoping that they will be fixed by the time they are released. I definitely won't be upgrading to it straight away. I'm probably gonna stick with Windows 10 for another year or so, mainly because especially on this machine. On my Surface, I'll probably upgrade a couple of months after release, once all the, you know, issues are all ironed out and it's not buggy and all that. But on here, I definitely won't be upgrading it anytime soon. Windows 10 still has an extra 5 years of support after Windows 11 is introduced, so I'm probably going to be sticking with Windows 10 for still the next year on this PC, until I hopefully might upgrade, because this PC is like 5, it's turning 5 in a couple of months, and the specs in it are from 2014, excluding the Intel processor, but the graphics card in it is from 7 years ago. And I just can't get a new PC because, you know, Corona and everything. But that's not what I'm going on about here. Yeah, I think it's a bit ridiculous, but like I said, I'm not going to talk about it now anymore because I'll make a separate video about it, ranting about all of that. But looking at the settings up here, it pretty much hasn't changed. I thought they did do some changes with it. It does look nice. Oh, that sound. Good. I don't want them having access to my location. Okay, so HDR. This monitor does not have HDR. What is this? Yeah, exactly. Anyway, it's pretty much identical. I think they've probably moved most of the stuff from control panel in here. They just probably redirect you to. Yeah, I like the I like what they're doing with the user accounts. I mean, they only changed the front icons. That's annoying. Why didn't they change all the icons? It's not that hard. But the icons that they're going here, I really like the style that they're going for, like this theme, this format. I'm really struggling with the two taskbar. I'm so used to it being over there. I'm like, where is everything? So I guess this is like, I mean, this is the start menu. These are all my apps. You know, pretty. I mean, it's Windows, just with a visual change. It's pretty much Windows 10. One thing that I do want to see, if I right click on this, okay, it does. I'm gonna go and run. I love that transition when you open and close stuff. The transitions on this, oh my god, I just noticed that. When it opens, it shows like a little, like bounces up and down again. The transition on this is so nice. Everything is just, oh. I'm just gonna open up WinVer and see what it says. So, I love that opening and closing animation. Oh. The animations, Microsoft. They're teasing me. Okay, we have Windows 11 Pro Dev. This is an insider build. I think it's the latest one. Yeah, blah yada yada. I mean, it's Windows, guys. So I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. It was a blast checking out Windows 11. I mean, I've seen it before, obviously, but it's my first time actually interacting with it, and it was a huge blast. I thank you guys for watching. I promise there'll be more content in the next week. I want to start uploading again, and I'm in lockdown, so what else do I do? Watch YouTube and play Minecraft and other stuff. That's about it. Other than that, thanks for watching, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.
The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Oh, and if it's not enough.